manifesting money is a topic that often comes up in discussions about the law of attraction and personal development. While the concept of manifesting can vary depending on individual beliefs, there are some general principles that you can follow to increase your abundance mindset and attract more financial prosperity into your life. Here are some steps to help you manifest money. If you are interested in manifesting money, then please stay tuned till end of this video as we are going to share some important information. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel to support us. The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that like attracts like, meaning your thoughts and beliefs can influence the experiences and outcomes you attract into your life. It is based on the principle that everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. By harnessing the power of your thoughts and focusing on what you want, you can attract positive experiences, people, and circumstances into your life. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives and be specific about the amount of money you want to manifest. Set measurable and achievable goals that align with your desires. Believe in abundance. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and believe that you deserve to have wealth and financial abundance in your life. Let go of limiting beliefs and scarcity mentality. Visualize your desired outcome. Create a clear mental image of yourself already having the money you desire. Visualize the details and emotions associated with achieving your financial goals. Imagine how your life will change and how you will feel. Practice positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and desires. Repeat affirmations related to money and abundance daily, such as I am worthy of financial abundance or money flows to me effortlessly. Take inspired action. Manifesting is not just about visualization and affirmations. It also requires taking action. Look for opportunities to increase your income, invest wisely, or explore new avenues for financial growth. Be open to new possibilities and be proactive in pursuing them. Express gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the money you already have and for the financial blessings that come your way. Expressing gratitude helps you stay in a positive and abundant mindset, attracting more positive experiences. Release attachment and trust the process. While it's important to have goals and take action, it's equally important to release attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe or higher power will guide you towards the right opportunities and timing. Surround yourself with abundance. Surround yourself with people who have a positive mindset about money and abundance. Avoid negative influences or people who perpetuate scarcity thinking. Read books, listen to podcasts, or attend seminars that focus on personal finance and wealth creation. Remember that manifesting money is a process that requires patience, persistence, and an open mind. It may not happen overnight, but by consistently aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your financial goals, you can increase your chances of attracting greater financial abundance into your life. By following these steps, you can develop a powerful mindset and take practical actions to manifest money and financial abundance in your life. Remember that each person's journey is unique and results may vary. Stay committed to your goals, maintain a positive attitude, and be open to the opportunities that come your way. Manifesting money is not solely about attracting wealth for personal gain. It's also important to consider how you can use your financial abundance to make a positive impact in your life and the lives of others. When you have an abundance mindset, you can create a ripple effect of generosity, contribution, and prosperity. Lastly, keep in mind that the process of manifesting money goes beyond just material wealth. It involves personal growth, self-awareness, and aligning your actions with your values. Embrace the journey of manifesting money as an opportunity for self-discovery and empowerment. As you embark on your journey to manifest financial abundance, may you find joy, fulfillment, and the freedom to live the life you desire. That's it for this video. I hope it will be helpful to you. If it helps you, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Thank you, and take care.